Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use email templates in Freshsales. First thing I want you to do is just log into your Freshsales dashboard. Come to the top right, click on send email. You'll get this pop up. And then here you see you can click on use template. Once you click on this, you'll get all of the different templates they have available. And all of these are pre-made. You can go ahead and create your own templates as well. Click here on create template. You can name it, write your own subject lines. You can add your tags here and you can insert fields. These are merge fields. For example, full name. Okay, it will display the person's full name. You can write your subject body as well. Save and apply. Okay, I'll just close this and let's use a template I created before. So I have this one and then you just confirm. It will replace the subject and the content of this email. Hit here on OK. Now as soon as I add the recipient, you'll see their name here as well. Okay, check this out. So you come here, you type in, let's say J. We'll use J Patel, and then here you see their name is being used here, and here we have our name, our company name, for example. And then once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and send that email. And that is how to use email templates in Freshsales.